I just wanted to stop for a second because, I'm always driving on this road. And sometimes I think, you just need to like stop, get on the side of the road and just enjoy the view. Look how beautiful this is, guys. Absolutely stunning. So that's it. We're a couple of minutes away from the Everglades. And this is when you start seeing, like the changing of the nature. I mean, it's just spectacular. I love it. All that green, the lake right there. It's just beautiful. I'm sure you got some alligators in there, so I'm not going to get too close. But yeah, it's beautiful. Churros, guys. This place is awesome. The best churros in town, and one of the strongest coffee for sure. So if ever you guys stop at Four Corners over here, I've said it before and I will say it again. Definitely come and check it out. Check it out, guys. So I wanted to talk about the one thing you gotta watch out those for those freaking birds. Those guys, man, they're like rats. They come and they'll steal your food right out of your mouth. Look at them, look at them, look at them, look at them, look at them. Hey, psh. Freaking Everglades birds. Those guys, they're not afraid of anything. So good. Look at this guy up there. Look at him. Ah. Trying to get my churro. So, really wanted to talk to you guys about something. I'm gonna finish my churro and we'll get right back. Oh, look at this, guys. That is cool, man. Look at this van. The American brands should come back with like vans like that again. For real. Like that's one of the topics that I wanted to talk about that I mentioned already before I came here. Like, I have a feeling that we're so like into a peak of like the motor industry, right? Like when you look at these performance baggers, what these baggers are doing now, it's freaking crazy, man. So I feel like it's been around already. Obviously, I'm not saying that we reinvented the wheel, but I really feel like right now, like people are really going strong on the old school, cars and old school bikes. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's just me, that is just being more interested. But I don't think so. Like, I'm seeing all the big YouTubers and all that stuff. A lot of those guys now, they're all with like bobbers and like old school bikes. I mean, I love my Sportster here. This Sportster is like really cool. But of course, it's not like a penhead or, it's. But it's still. I mean, it's still the real deal. Still have like a hardtail and it's. I mean, it is a bobber. So, but yeah, I just really feel like more and more like people are getting attached. Coming back around to like the old school stuff. So that's about it. And then on that subject, well, there's a lot to talk about that subject. As a matter of fact, Steph is in Oregon, and he bought he bought a 1942 Harley. I mean, fucking thing is sick, sick, sick. I'm gonna see if he can send me some videos. He's been sending me videos through WhatsApp, but the quality will be really bad when I'll put it on WhatsApp on YouTube. But also, on the way over here, guys, a couple of weeks ago, the Everglades caught on fire, which is super rare, super rare. So on my way back, I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna show you guys. I mean, you smell it, you see the trees. It's unbelievable. It's very. I mean, it's just crazy to see the Everglades caught on fire. Like, and it wasn't a small fire. You'll see throughout the. On my way back, you'll see some of it. So that's it, guys. Came here, enjoy my churro, my strong coffee, and I'm gonna head back in a few minutes. Put some gas because I don't want to run out of gas. So I don't think I ever really got deep into the Sportster, into the details. So this was a build that was done by this guy, a guy that has a lot of talent because he did everything right on this build. So it's a 1998 Sportster engine. Obviously, the hardtail. It's not a. I mean, the frame is not an original frame, obviously. Put a peanut tank on it, thin tires, as you can see. I mean, the guy did it, and he did it like perfect. Like, I'm always getting a bunch of like a lot of compliments on this bike. I mean, it's 8 foot long, so it's really the size of like a real bobber. I mean, it is a real bobber. It's a real deal. So, 1998 was done in California by this guy that I would really love to send a text and tell him how much I appreciate his work because he really did a good job on this. So that's it. That's the story of the 1998 Sportster bobber. See the price of the gas. Not cheap. Thank God this doesn't take a lot of gas. All right, guys. So I wanted to stop real quickly and show you guys how it burned. I mean, the whole... It's hard to see because the trees are right there, but behind the tree it's kind of flat. But after that, you have more trees and everything burned. Like it's insane. But it's crazy how fast the green, right? Like I don't know if you see it in between the trees, like the green is back already. But you know, it's the Everglades, so it's it's swamp, it's swampland. You know, so underneath you dig a little and you have water. But that's why it's so crazy that all this shit caught on fire. I mean, it's insane, man. It's crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy. Like, you know, the whole thing here. On some of the, like, more near going south this way, there's like, even on the other side of the road, there's trees that burned and stuff. That's it. Just wanted to show you guys this up close. And the smell is like really strong, man. It's insane. But look how beautiful nature is, man. It's like the green already started growing on some of these trees. Look at that. Look at that. Yep. So, pretty insane. Pretty freaking crazy that the Everglades caught on fire. And look at this beauty! Oh yes! So I hope you guys enjoyed this little episode of FTR. So don't forget to subscribe, leave some comments, guys. It really helps. And we see you guys on the next Rooster Call. Peace.